At Protected Harbor, we're committed to providing fast, reliable, and affordable IT solutions. From ransomware protection and remote desktop access to data recovery and network infrastructure, we've got you protected. Here's what some of our customers have to say. This company will do whatever it takes to help improve your bottom line. To get us up to par and to straighten out our issues, Protected Harbor technicians spent almost 72 hours here. And because they work with other schools, they were able to guide us and tell us to do what's best for the students, which is invaluable. We have a great relationship with Protected Harbor. They're not just a vendor, but they've become a great partner for HARC. It's a very collaborative and wonderful partnership, and we feel we can count on Protected Harbor. I've been a client of Protected Harbor for over 10 years and found their responsiveness to be outstanding to my IT and maintenance needs. Their customer service has been way above expectations. I wholeheartedly recommend Richard Luna and his team at Protected Harbor. Protected Harbor is excellent, fast, reliable, and efficient. They jump on issues and resolve the problem in a pleasant and professional manner. So if you need protection from reputation damage, outages and downtime, failing technology, or underperforming MSPs, join our growing list of satisfied customers. Join the protected. Join Protected Harbor.